Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you Thomas the Tank Engine. Now before we start this video, I would like to say a huge thank you to Barb Templin, Carla, and Evelyn. Evelyn for sending me the 3 people, Sir Topham Hatt, Farmer McCall, and a conductor. Carla for sending me a switch tower, and Barb for sending me a blue box car. Those will be in future videos, so let's get started and put Thomas on the track. Okay guys, we have Thomas on the track and we're gonna get him going. Okay, no technical difficulties with him, like Emily. Now we're going to switch the track to make Thomas go on the other track, because Thomas won't derail, I believe. I'm not sure. I kind of forget. I think he might have some problems. No, he's fine. I'm going to make him go full speed now. Oh, he fell off. That's sad. Okay, now that Thomas has gone on the track, we're going to connect him to Annie and Clarabelle. Okay, everyone, we've got Annie and Clarabelle connected to Thomas, and we're going to see if he can make it up the hill. This might be a challenge for him. Oh no, on full speed, he's perfectly fine. Aw, we forgot to switch the track back. Oh no. Well, let's switch it back now. Switch the track back so he can go again now. Aw, he came off again. Right here. I don't know why. Should have probably turned the power off before I did that. Oh, it doesn't look like there's anything wrong. Again! Oh, he might fix himself. Oh, he fixed himself. This is like the magical fixing track. All the trains, when they derail, they go on that track, and it's such, since it's different, they come back on. Oh no. Oh, there was a bump there. I know there was a bump there. Oh, I knocked something over while I was walking over there. Jeez, I am knocking many things over today. I don't know why. Okay, I think he's ready to go again. Nope, he's not. There we go. You know, we're gonna make him switch tracks. He's having a lot of trouble. I don't know whether this is a good or bad idea, though. Oh no, it was a bad idea. The coaches always derail on this track. Oh no. No, it shouldn't go on. Jeez. Okay. Okay, the power's off. So now we're going to show you one last thing. We're going to have Percy help out Thomas. Okay. We're going to show you one last thing. Percy is going to help Thomas pull some freight cars up the hill. We got Percy and Thomas on the track. Percy from my first video and the troublesome trucks from my third video. They'll be in the top right corner, right about there. They'll be up there. You can just click on that and you can click on the video and take you right to the video. So now let's see if they can both help each other and pull these cars up the hill. I feel like Percy's going to push too hard because he's actually, no, Percy's slower. I don't know what's going to happen. Well, we'll see. I just have a weird feeling Percy's going to push too hard and they're all going to come off, especially these two coaches. Oh, they're very finicky when they get pushed. Okay, let's see. We're doing well so far. Oh no, like I said, oh no, that was my fault. Again, I forgot to switch the tracks back to how they were before. Okay, this is proof of me switching them back now. Gotta clean up this big crash site. It's crashing all the time because I keep forgetting to flip switches and stuff, and I'm knocking everything over. Jeez. No, go on. No, go. There you go. Okay. And right there. There we go. No. Oh, I knocked it off again. I knocked it off. Okay. It's back on, and they're going to do one more lap, and then we're probably going to end the video because of so many crashes. Maybe in the future I'll edit all the videos and I'll make a crash video of just crashes falling off the bridge and crashing into each other. Okay, let's go one more time. We're just going to go full speed, see if they crash. Let's see. Oh yeah, they crashed. There's Thomas going off on his own. Well, let's see what's going to happen here. Bam! Oh! Floor! And he's done. Okay. Annie and Clarabelle in the truck are going to go over here. So is Percy. I think they've had enough for one day. But thank you everyone so much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.